So guys, I'm gonna play Grow a Garden. Wait, tomato seed. I didn't put it. Chicken jockey.
So yun.
That's my dad.
Talapasan ko lang.
Yeah.
Bigat ko na yan.
Okay. Wait. Where's my bamboo? I'm gonna trade with him. I'm gonna trade with him. There you go, my blood bamboo. Is my blood lit? This is my pet frog. His name is Froggy. And they call him Froggy because my name in Roblox is Total 3. Is it 387? Ah, yeah. Total 387. I'm gonna spell it. T-U-T-E-L. No space. And 387. Just that. No space. And I have a bloodlet. The soft part is like this. Oh wait, I did not do that.
Eh, lutin mo yung likod ko. Oh, masakit dito ko kasi
Pag magpapahilot ka doon, hindi ka makaswimming bukas. Yan, kapatid ko yun. Sabihan ko. I'm gonna save you, B. Gimme. Please. Gimme, please. Support lang yung chat. Okay.
Nasa saan ka na? Bakit?
Wait. Chicken banana. Chicken banana. Chicken banana.
Chicken adobo. Chicken adobo.
Chicken adobo.
Diba hindi mo pa yun nalalaman yan?
Tagal ko na yun, no?
No?
Tagal ko na alam.
Chicken adobo.
Wait, ano pa?
Ito, chicken banana. Chicken banana.
Chicken nuggets.
Tingnan mo, chicken patatas. Chicken patatas. Patatas. Patatas.
No stock. Kasi binili ko yung mga iba.
Chicken adobo. Chicken adobo. Sabihin mo na lang yung chicken adobo dyan.
Yan.
Ah,
Hindi mo electric fan dito, Lord.
ano ya?
Electric fan ba?
Wait.
Iyan.
Wait, guys.
Ipa. Papunta dito. Tama na.
May usog ka. No. Usog ka. Yeah, like that. Chicken, banana. Sunflowers. And somebody every